Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update with this concrete footpath construction. So basically, because it rains yesterday, the base course uh, becomes soft. So to be able to strengthen the surface, I put concrete chips on top to strengthen the base course I put in. So now it's ready to pour anytime today. But before that, I just want to give you an update with a plan I've done yesterday or a couple of days ago. So as you can see, there's a number on the plan. So that's the first pouring that we're gonna do. 2 and 3 and 4. And then after that we jump up to number 5, and then 6, and then 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then on the 12 stages, we finished already the bottom part of concrete footpath. And then we jump up to number 13, 14, 15, 16, and then 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 strips altogether to complete the concrete footpath construction. So, and also just to reiterate about the details, as you can see on this details here. So I measured from the wall to PVC. It's only 260 mil. So when I do the as-built plan, I'll change it to 260 mm instead of 535. I'm talking about this here, section DD. So this one here, the buried PVC drain pipe is 250 from the wall to the center line of PVC pipe. So this is the down pipe, as you can see there, this circle there. So there's a down pipe coming from the roof, and then it flows, the water flows here and flows all the way through the entrance gate. Yeah, and like what I said, the slope in here is 2.6%, as you can see there, and the slope in the lower part is 13.5%, which is quite steep, because we prevent the underfloor door to be open. That's why we follow, as you can see there. So we'll follow the opening here. So this is the string line, which is the finished level of concrete. So to my viewers and subscribers, if you have any query about this construction, please let me know. Just make comments, and yeah, hopefully we have a fine weather today, so we can finish at least 2 strips concrete pouring today. Okay, so much for that for today. And by the way, today is Saturday, 25th of July 2020, and today is Thursday, and the time now is 2:10 in the afternoon. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching this YouTube channel. Bye for now. Please be safe.